Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2018 Toyota Camry. The cabin air filter is located behind a couple of covers in the back of the glove box. The glove box itself will not need to be removed, and these covers pry off without the use of tools, allowing you quick access to the filter itself. The spare tire and jack kit are packaged together beneath the lining in the trunk. This will allow for a relatively quick removal and easy setup in the event you'll need to service a flat. The engine air filter is in the front of the driver's side of the engine bay. No tools are needed to disengage the housing, allowing you to quickly lift the cover and remove the filter. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. All of the taillights have rather convoluted access. Those in the main housing will require a cover and multiple bolts to be removed first, as well as a bit of force to pry it out of the vehicle, while the reverse light will require a large portion of trunk lining to be pried off. All of this will make for time-consuming procedures. You'll need to use the wiper stalk to engage the front wiper blades before using a panel puller to pry them off their wiper arms. This is a lengthy process that won't facilitate quick wiper changes. You'll need to remove a large panel from underneath the vehicle to access the petcock. This will require you to work upside down in an awkward position as you remove many bolts and rivets, and the panel itself will be bulky and cumbersome to maneuver. Overall, the 2018 Toyota Camry is a somewhat difficult car to maintain, but it would be a good fit for those with a bit of prior knowledge in vehicle maintenance.